Since 1980, La Dispensa has been a very popular place. You have to order a table or you cannot just walk right in the evening. That is when they got music, like today. It was completely filled up with people in there. And it's excellent music, actually, good quality. So it's worth it. Try it out if you can. It's a nice place and quiet around here. Having a night walk. It's quite silent and we can actually see the stars. Isn't that wonderful? Oh yeah, there is the bear. No moonlight tonight. Right. It is night though, so the light is not good. The sea that we can hear, of course.